Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the phone has enough power and that any SIM or micro SD is seated properly. This avoids interruptions. Press and hold power for 10 seconds to force a restart. This often exits temporary safe mode sessions. If you see the boot logo, release power and immediately press volume up once to interrupt any stuck key signal. Once done, let the phone boot fully and check the lower left corner for the safe mode label to confirm whether it cleared. You should next inspect quick settings. Some ZTE models show a safe mode notification. Tap it or use the restart option to return to normal mode. If that option is absent, open Settings right arrow apps and remove any app installed just before the problem. Offending apps often force safe mode. If uninstalling does not work, power off and boot into recovery by holding power plus volume up. Then clear cache partition. These steps remove corrupt temporary files that can keep safe mode active. You finish by performing one final full restart and watching for the safe mode label. That confirms success. If safe mode persists, back up your data and perform a factory reset from Settings right arrow system right arrow reset, because persistent software corruption sometimes requires a fresh start. If a volume or power button is physically stuck causing safe mode, try gently cleaning the phone edges or, if necessary, seek authorized repair. Remember, factory reset erases data, so always back up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.